Before we begin laying out the wool, let us make the tentacles. These decorative felted tentacles are one of my favorite elements. For an experienced felt maker, they are quite simple to make. But people who do not work with felt find them irresistible. Customers love them, especially children. Everyone wants to touch them, give them a little tug, and examine them from every angle. So, if you want to win your customers' hearts, make tentacles. You may have noticed that many of my works are inspired by sea creatures. Their tentacles give the forms a wonderful sense of movement. Another source of inspiration is seed pods. They have slender stems, fine threads, and curling tendrils. All these little details make a form feel alive and extraordinarily beautiful. It is best to prepare many tentacles at once and make them roughly the same thickness. I take a length of wool top and divide it into equal sections. But first, I make one test tentacle. This allows me to check the thickness and see how much wool I will need for each one. The tentacles can be made in a single color, but I love creating gentle color transitions. I arrange several shades and overlap the fibers slightly. This creates a soft transition without a hard line between the colors. Now I carefully roll the wool into a slender cord. I leave one end dry and loose. Later, this loose tail will become part of the main layout and create a strong, seamless connection with the lampshade. At first, I roll the cord while it is still dry. If I add water too soon, it may lose its shape, and then it becomes much harder to felt. Once the wool begins to hold together, I add just a little soapy water. Then I continue rolling the tentacle gently under my palms. Keep the loose tail dry. And do not felt the tentacle completely yet. It will continue felting later, together with the lampshade. That is all there is to it. Our tentacles are ready. Now we can begin laying out the wool.